and welcome to our language video for today. We will be continuing to work with adverbs today. And on Friday of last week, I explained to you that an adverb is a word that describes a verb. And we did get a small hint of what adverbs end with. We said that they kind of end with ly. Many adverbs will end with ly. And the last thing that we talked about on Friday was that it answers this question of how, okay? How did we play? We played quietly. We played carefully. But we're going to add a couple more questions today. We are going to add to it, boom, when and how often. So when did we play? Yesterday. Or we just finished playing. Or how often? We played all the time. Or we played every day. Those will be considered adverbs because they describe when or how often that you did this action verb. So let's take a look at our book. I've rewritten some of the problems here on page 157. And what the instructions tell us to do is to look at the verb. They've already underlined the verb for you, so this is even easier. And all you have to do is ask yourself when that verb happened or how often that verb happened. So let's take a look at number 1. John shot that basketball perfectly. This is actually a how. How was the shot made? Perfectly. And they want you to draw an arrow, just like with your adverbs or your adjectives. They want you to draw an arrow back to the verb it describes. It was shot perfectly. Number 2, suddenly the balloon popped. When did this happen? Suddenly. Suddenly is your adverb, and you will draw your arrow to popped. Adverbs are really fun because they can be all over in the sentence. Let's look at number 3. Silas went camping Saturday. When did Silas go camping? He went Saturday. Yes, in this case, the word Saturday is an adverb. I know it's also a noun. It is a day of the week. But in this case, it's acting like an adverb. Today, Lewis said his Bible verse. So, said. When was it said? Today. Very good. And we draw our arrow back to said. Last one, at the bottom. Ava usually says thank you. How often does she say thank you? This would be answered with usually. And it gives us our hint here. That one's ly right there. We have another ly up here and an ly here. So we have 3 of our adverbs that end in ly. Now, at 157, I've done the hardest part for you, or with you. But page 158 is basically a review. So you have 2 pages to do today. But I'm not really worried about page 158 because it's a review of what you already know. So I hope that this helps you with your page on adverbs today. Good luck.